Dahil month na ng Heather at ayaw ko kantahin yung Heather, kakantahin ko sa inyo yung original song ko na inspired by Heather. This is called Patrice, but I'll sing it in lower key because di ko naabot yung original key ng sarili kong kanta, be. Ewan ko. Oh, Patrice, can I kiss your lips? Oh, Patrice, can I feel the warmth of your lips? It's the August of high school when I saw you. Perfect smile, your eyes are blue. Smiling at everyone, looks that they like you. He's beside me, looking at you too. Oh, Patrice, can I kiss your lips? Maybe they can tell the difference between you and me. Oh, Patrice, can I taste your lips? Maybe they can tell the reason why